the Quarry Hunslets. These delightful little locomotives got their name from the fact that they were principally designed to work in and around the huge slate quarries of North Wales. Built in Leeds, the quarry locomotives date back as far as 1883 and worked the galleries and processing sheds, with some surviving right up to closure in the mid-1960s. Once withdrawn, a lot of the locomotives were snapped up by societies and enthusiasts as they were sold off for prices as low as £60. Hence, there are still a fair few of them running on preserved narrow-gauge lines all over the world. This one, Rough Pup, isn't in working order, but can be seen at the Narrow-Gauge Railway Museum in Tywyn, Wales. Its works number is 541 and is virtually in the same condition in which it finished its working life in 1960. She arrived at the museum in 1968